Step 1 is to measure and pin your hem. So you want to turn your pants inside out and fold up wrong side together till you get to where you want your pants to fall. Then go ahead and pin it. Now that you have your hem pinned, you want to flip your seam allowance out to the right side of your pants. It sounds really confusing, but just watch. As you can see, I'm folding the hem like kind of out on itself and then pinning in place, because what I want to do is create a little ledge. That ledge is going to be where the straight stitch part of my blind hem stitch is going to go. Next, you'll want to find your blind hem stitch on your machine. On mine, the number is 12 and it looks like this. Now we're ready to finally sew. Remember I mentioned we're going to be sewing the straight stitch part of our blind hem stitch on the little ledge. So you want to align your presser foot to the ledge and have the left side of it kind of hanging over the fold. But just make sure you can see that little window in the center so you can ensure that the straight stitch part of your blind hem stitch stays on your ledge, and the only part that's going over to your fold is the little left bite. One thing I wish I knew about doing blind hems before I got started was about the bite. As I said, the bite is the only part that's going to go into your fold, and you only want that bite to go in your fold a tiny little bit. The farther over the fold line your bite is, the more likely that you will see your stitch from the front side of your garment, which is what you don't want to have happen. And when I say bite, I mean the little pointy part of the stitch that pokes out to the left. Okay, we're almost done. Let's go ahead and turn our pants right side out and check our work. Okay, let's head on over to our iron now and give these guys a good press. And that's it, we're done. Near invisible blind stitch done on my home sewing machine.